Hi everyone, it's Mel from the 441 and today I'm quickly going to talk to you guys about intention candles and intention sprays. So I was just doing a video on Feng Shuiing your wallet and I took out the sprays and the candles and I thought it might be a good idea to do a quick video on actual candles and sprays. So I have a few. I have quite a few actually. Sometimes I make my own, but I'll just quickly talk to you guys today about some that I've made myself and also some that I buy. So first of all, and I actually have most of her candles over at the yard at the moment. I have a Show Me the Money candle. It's an intention candle, so when you get one or when you feel the need to get one, when you light it, you can, get the end of an incense stick, which I've got one here at the moment because I'm burning some incense, and you can actually use the end of the stick to write your name and your date of birth. Maybe take one of your hairs and pop it into the candle before you light it, but hold that intention I want to clear my debts, and just hold that while you hold the candle before you light it. I want to get a pay rise, I want to sell my house, I want to buy a new house, I want to save money. Whatever it is, hold that intention and you will find that it helps remove the blocks and attract it. I remember the first time I bought one of these candles about 4 years ago. We were selling some machinery and the first time I lit the candle, I think we made something like 24 grand in 24 hours. There was 2 trailers sold, an old ute that we had, and about a week later I sold a digger as well. So it definitely works. I am never without one. I need to order one again. And actually I forgot to mention it, sorry Irene. If you ever watch this, the lady I get them from is Gypsy Loom. She is based in Perth, which is awesome. I have been using her for about 4 or 5 years, and her website's gypsyloon.com. She's got loads of candles. There's Kiss Me Quick, which is a romance and love candle. She's got Unfuckwittable. I've got the spray for that, and the candle at the yard. She does one for Mercury retrograde, specific for each retrograde. So this is an old one here. I was trying to take the front off it, but she has nice little bits of information about each retrograde, what the candles are, what the scents are, and also what the crystals are. And I have to clean these, so this is a bit gross, but you can see the crystals that come in the candles. And I think I've taken another crystal candle out of this and popped it in here. So there's a labradorite, and she uses lots of chips as well. So I love her candles. I always have one burning. Then on to sprays. For sprays I use 2 different companies and I make my own. I also make my own roller ball intentional rollers, oils as well, but today we're talking about sprays. So again, this one's been rebranded. So we've got Money Moves, Show Me the Money, same candle. It's got I think it's green adventurine in the bottom. So that one is awesome if you're going out shopping and you want to save money, or if you're going to a business meeting, any of that, spray it everywhere. I've just sprayed it on this wallet in the last video as well. So she's got Show Me the Money. She's got Unfuck Yourself if you're ever feeling flustered. I love this one. Down to Earth is a grounding spray. What else have I got from Gypsy Loon? Sage Your Shit. So I use this a lot for the car. If you have somewhere that you want to sage, smoke sage, but you can't do it, or your family hates the smoke or whatever, you can use this spray. It's awesome. I use it a lot on my car. Down to Earth, that's an older one. I have to use up some of these. She's also got Chakra. range. So I have the throat chakra, which, you know, I should have sprayed before I came on camera. So you can spray it around your throat, which is great for you using your voice and expressing yourself, communication. And I also have the sacral chakra one, which is for passion. So she's got the root, which is security, sacral, which is passion, solar plexus, which is your power, heart chakra, which is your heart and your healing, throat chakra, third eye, and crown chakra. That's all I have from Gypsy Loom at the moment. That's all I have, like half of her range. Then another one that I've recently gotten into, I've actually followed her videos for a very long time, but because she's in England and her sprays are a bit more expensive, it took me a while to take the plunge. So this one here is Bluebell Bridge, and it's for grief. And I went to Melbourne about a month ago, and my friend recently lost her mother, but she wasn't there, so she was still in Ireland, so I didn't get a chance to give her that spray. But I do know that everything happens for a reason, and I wonder if maybe I'm meant to have that spray. She did say it's also very good for the way how like the world is shifting at the moment. We've kind of like, we're not going back to 2019, so we have to get used to this new normal, and it's great to help you transform that. I got the Archangel Michael, which again is communication, but it's also safety. And I don't know what it is about Archangel Michael, but I feel like he's one of my guides that I want to work with or whatever. I've got his deck as well. Magenta Bridge, again, transformation, and magenta is the colour of manifestation. Kuan Yin is to have compassion, and it helps you with change as well. And finally the Violet Dragon, which is to clear the blocks on your path. So that is Amanda Ellis, if I haven't said that already, and they're her Archangel Metatron colour healing sprays, and she's based in England. So I've only started using them. I haven't noticed huge shifts yet, but I've only kind of been picking them up and spraying them for the sake of spraying them. I haven't sprayed them to really tune into them yet, because me and meditating and having time to meditate are still a little bit off. And then lastly, creating, oh wow, that one's nearly gone. Don't know if you can see that, but there's only about to there left on it. Is making your own intention sprays. So I make my own. I honestly can't even remember what this one was for, because I pulled it out of the drawer and I probably need to redo it. But this was one I made for sleep, and I didn't put any crystals in this one. Usually I do put crystals in. So I can create another video for you guys showing you how to create a spray. It's really, really simple. Again, the most important thing is the attention. Again, the most important thing is the intention that you do put into the crystal and into the spray. Because like I said, in this one I've got lots. I like to Reiki these because I have done Reiki, but you don't have to. Your intention is the most important. So if you simply rub your hands together, just to activate the chakras in your hands, and whatever one it is, you can just, please help me with this. It's not rocket science, guys. For a long time, when people said like, oh, you have to set an intention and you have to program your crystal and all of this, I was like, how do you do that? That sounds so complicated. It's not. You just pick it up, you clear your mind, you think about the thing that you need help with, and you just say it to the crystal or the spray or the Feng Shui coin or the bay leaf or whatever. And then you can spray it or carry it around with you or burn it or whatever the case may be. So this one's obviously a sleep one. I think this one was just one I made for me and what I was going through at the time. So lots of security, self-love, clarity and power, judging by the crystals I have on the bottom. But I should probably toss that and make a new one because that could be there for the last year. So that is intention sprays. I will definitely at some stage make a video on how to create your own intention spray. I've been meaning to buy one of those little tiny mini, you know, cosmetic funnels, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. But you don't really need one. I'm just messy. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. Let me know, do you guys use intention sprays? Do you recommend anyone? And candles, I will be sure to link down below these two companies that I use. I don't get kickbacks or anything from them. God, like I'm only starting on YouTube. But they are two companies that I use, and two awesome women out there in the spiritual community doing really cool work. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.